What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. What's going on, guys? Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $100 plus each day in PayPal money. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video so more people can check out my channel. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm speaking on today in this video. Now, this method is free to start. All you need is a computer or cell phone, and it's available worldwide. Now, before I get into this method, guys, please follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to get my followers up. I only have 280. I want to try to get up to 500 followers, so follow me there. I might be giving away something to a lucky person. And all you have to do is follow me and like any of my posts and drop a comment down in any of my posts, because I might pick you to get the free gift once I reach 500 followers. All right, guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up in this video. And when you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, which you guys are going to help me get there, I'm going to reward maybe 1 person, maybe 2 people, maybe 3 people some free money if I can get there by the end of November. While I'm filming this is November the 2nd. So by the end of November, I want to see 5,000 subscribers on my channel. So help a brother out so I can give this free money. My hand is itching. Okay, enough about that, guys. Let's go ahead and get into this method. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can earn $100 plus each day. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. The name of this website is Name and Force. So what you're going to be doing is making money, coming up with names for individuals and companies. So that's what this websites provide to people. They provide different names for their company. Because a lot of people, they can start a company, but they want to come up with a good name. So they use websites like this to try to get a very catchy names so they can start driving traffic to their website and business and start making that money. So it says here, namers submit names, we rank names, you choose a winner. So that they're just talking about the individual or the company that come here looking for a name. So they choose the name and they pay that person for the name. So what you're going to do when you first come here, you're going to sign up. So right here where it says become a namer, and all you do is put your name, username, email, password, if you're male or female, your date of birth, and if you're a U.S. citizen or not, and register. Click on register. Now, what we're going to do is I want to show you some contests that are available right now. They will reward you if they pick your name. So let's go over there right now. Click on contest. So as you can see right here, this person or individual or this company, it's a private contest, so you have to sign in to view the description, but they're rewarding $500. This other one that's a private contest, rewarding $200. And here's one that's not private. It's called Mission Travel Podcast. I currently host a podcast called The Call of Leadership. So this person is looking for a business name for their podcast. And here's another one, rewarding $200, called Range Hood Flow Air Testing. So they're looking for a business name also, and they're rewarding $200. This one is rewarding $200, and they're rewarding $100. So this one is rewarding $100, and this other one is rewarding $100. So down here, recently named businesses. So these are the recently named businesses. The ones that came up with the name, they were rewarded a certain amount of money, probably $100 to $200. Now, you're probably saying to yourself, I'm not that creative. I can't come up with names. Well, I'm going to show you a website where you can go to right now and you can get unlimited names. It's going to do it all for you. And you can get those names submitted to one of these contests. And when your name gets chosen, you can win, or you'll receive $100 or even $200. So let me go ahead and take you to that website right now. Okay, I'm at the next website, and the name of this website is Namelix. What you're going to do is put a keyword right here. So let's go back and see which one we're going to pick, and pick a keyword. So let's click on this one. So here's the description. I currently host a podcast show. We already read that. I would like to rebrand it. The podcast is a Michigan travel podcast where we interview the leaders behind Michigan's top destination. So we got to pick a keyword out of here. Let's pick travel, since it's a travel podcast. So let's go back to Namelix and let's put in travel. See what pops up. Click on generate, and you want to go ahead and click on here because you want three. You want to see all the different names. You don't care if it's 3, 6, 12, or more letters. So let's click next. And then we're looking for any type of style. Let's just do the first one that I see right here. Let's just click on that. That's the most popular one anyway. And it's going to generate. Takes a few seconds. Voila. There you go. There's a whole lot of names here. You got Travel Surface, Travel Forest, Travel Vault, Travel Ray, Travelers Direct. So guys, these are a lot of names right here that you can present to that company or to that individual that's want to rebrand their company. And as you can see, they don't have to have travel in all of them. Here's some tourists. So here's tour mate. So just anything has to do with travel, it pops up. So that's all you have to do, guys. Just pick some of these names. Maybe pick about 5 to 10 of them. Go back here, submit the name right here where it says submit the name, and sit back and get rewarded. That's all you got to do, guys. And as you can see, it's always I know that's not many, that's not a lot, but it's going to be some always available here for you to go ahead and submit your name to. So it's going to always be some contests here available on this site. Okay, guys, so if you're ready to go ahead and start making $100 plus each day in PayPal money, because they do pay in PayPal money on this website, go ahead and go to nameandforce.com. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody become their own boss. It's time. It's about to be 2021. It's time for you guys to become your own boss and make this money. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, thank you Grind family. I appreciate you guys' support. I know I say this every video, but I really do appreciate you guys checking out my videos, because I want to help people become financially free. And I love it when people are commenting saying that I helped them find a good money making online method that's making them some money. So this is why I do this, and I want to keep doing it, and I want to keep growing, guys. Road to 5,000 subscribers. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. One more thing before I go. Go check out my other channel. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow. I talk about increasing your finances, also making money online, and I talk about personal development. You know, try to help you grow as a person, because I like talking about that too. So go subscribe to that channel and look out for videos coming soon. And check out my podcast. It's called the same name, Hustle, Grind, and Grow Show. Go check out that. The link will be in the description below. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks again. And make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. Deuces. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind.